Hi there. Welcome to Math Camp channel. Today's topic is the number line. In this lesson, we will discover labeling the number line with whole number or with a fraction number. We're also going to cover the method of drawing number line. Either we have to label a number line with whole number or a fraction number. The steps are same for both. The main key skill in finding missing number in any number line is to find out value of one jump. If you know one jump's value, then it's super easy to calculate missing number by adding or subtracting that value. To find out value of one jump, you have to memorize 3 easy steps. The first step is to find out difference of two known number. On any number line, you need to see two numbers and you have to take difference of those two numbers. Second step, you need to find out the number of jumps between those two numbers whose difference you have just taken in step number 1. Step 3, you have to divide the difference you have calculated in step number 1 and the number of jumps you have calculated in step number 2. You are going to divide both of them, and this will give you the value of one jump for that number line. And this was our objective to find out. Let's find out the missing number of this number line. In this number line, we can see 30, 100, and we have to find out this missing number. Again, we are going to find this number using these 3 steps. The first step, we have to find out difference of two numbers. So on this number line, we can see 30 and 100. The difference of 30 and 100 is 70. Next step, we have to find out number of jumps between 30 and 100. So let's count 1, 2. So there are 2 jumps between 30 and 100. That was step number 2. Now step 3. The easy way, we have to just divide difference by number of jumps. That is 35. So this 35 means the one jump of this number line. That means this number line, one jump's value is 35. Now we are going to find all these values of this number line, and we know that one jump is of value of 35. To find out this number, we are going to add 35 in this number. 30 plus 35 is 65. The value of this point is 65. 65 plus 35 is 100, which is there. 135 is 135, and 135 plus 35 will give you this number, which is 170. Well, the missing number of this number line is 170. Now it's practice time. You can pause this video and find out your answers. Once you have all your answers, then resume this video and mark yourself. Now let's see the answers one by one. So first number line has 83 and 18. The first step first, we have to find difference. The difference of 18 and 83 is 65. Next step is to find out jumps between 18 and 83. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step, we have to divide difference by jumps. So difference was 65 and jumps are 5. So 65 divided by 5 will give you 13. That means 13 is the value of one jump. So from 18, when we move forward, we have to add 13 in this 18. So 18 plus 13 will give you 31. That is the value of this point. 31 plus 13 will give you value of this point, which is 44. You can also go backward from here, but the value of one jump will remain same. So value of one jump for this number line was 13. To go backward, you have to subtract that value of one jump from this point. So 83 minus 13 will give you 70. 70 will be here. Then 70 minus 13 will give you 57. That will be here. And then 57 minus 13 will give you this value, which is 44. Next number line, we have 112 and 144. So the difference of 112 and 144 is 32. And the jumps are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 32 divided by 4 will give you 8. So 8 is the value of one jump for this number line. So let's find out the missing number. So 112 plus 8 will give you this number, which is 120. Next number line, we have 1 over 3 and 41 over 15. The first thing first, the difference. The difference of these two fractions is 12 over 5, and the jumps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The jumps are 6. So 12 over 5 divided by 6 will give you 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the value of one jump. Now let's start finding this number. 1 over 3 plus 2 by 5 will give you 11 over 15. 11 over 15 plus 2 by 5 will give you this value, that is 17 over 15. Now next number line, to find out A and B, we have to follow same rules that we are being using now. So by using those rules, I have calculated the jump of one value of one jump for this number line, and that is 1 over 5. The value for one jump of this number line is 1 over 5. To find A, we are moving backward, so we are going to subtract 1 over 5 from 16 over 15, and it will give me the value of A, that is 13 over 15. And to find out B, I'm going to add 1 over 5 in 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 plus 1 by 5 will give 28 by 15. That is the value of this number line. Now we have a number line and we have to label it using fractions. First of all, we will find out gaps or jumps of this number line. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number line has 6 sections or 6 gaps. What this 6 in actual? This 6 is the denominator value for this number line. Keep in mind, all the gaps or sections of any number line will give you the value of denominator. Now, to start labeling, keep in mind, any number line will start from 0 and it will go after zeros and will end at 1. Keep in mind, this is just for a fractional number line. So fractional number line will always start from 0 and will end at 1. So the first value for this point will be 0 by 6. Why? We have 6 sections. The first section will always counted as 0, so 0 by 6. And when you simplify this one, 0 by 6 means 0. So first number of this number line is 0. Next will be 1 by 6. Next will be 2 by 6. Next will be 3 by 6. Next will be 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and 6 by 6. And again, when we will simplify this fraction, we will get 1. So a fractional number line will always start from 0 and will end at 1. Now we have to find out, now we have a few fractions and we have to draw a number line. And we are going to represent these fractions on that number line. That means we are going to learn how to draw a number line here. So to draw a number line, first of all, we have to find out total sections of that number line. And who's going to tell us of total sections? Yes, the denominators. The denominators of this fraction will tell us how many sections that number line should have. Well, in this example, all fractions have different number line, different denominators. So to overcome this problem, we have to find out least common multiple of these numbers. So LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 12. That means the number line over here will have 12 sections. Let's draw and label 12 sections number line. Here we have a number line. Now there's a problem. We have to point out this 1 over 3 on this number line, but on this number line we cannot see any fraction of 1 over 3 or 1 over 4 or 2 by 3 or 1 by 2. So that means these fractions are not here in actual. So what we are going to do? Well, we are going to use equivalent fractions method. So equivalent fraction of 1 over 3 is 4 over 12. Keep in mind, we have to convert this 3 into 12. So the equivalent to this 3 we can find out easily by multiplying this 3 by 4, and we have to multiply this one by 4 as well. So 3 times 4 is 12, 1 times 4 is 12. So 1 times 4 is 4. So 1 over 3 is equivalent to 4 by 12. That means this fraction will come on this point. Now next equivalent fractions. So 1 over 4 is equivalent to 3 over 12. So 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 3 is 3. That means this 1 over 3 has place over here. It will come over here. The next equivalent fraction, 2 over 3 is equivalent to 8 by 12. Again, same method. 3 times 4 is 12, so 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 by 3 has place over here. And the last equivalent fractions, 1 over 2 equals 6 over 12. And this will come on this point. Now last but not the least, if you don't want to use this equivalent fraction method, you have another method. What you can do, you can just simplify these fractions. If you simplify this one, you will find out these fractions over here. So when I simplify 2 over 12, I will get 1 over 6. 3 over 12, after simplification, it will become 1 over 4. And look, it is the same number, same fraction. So 4 over 12 after simplification is 1 over 3, which is same. Just a quick review for simplification. We have to divide 4 and 12 with its highest common factor. So highest common factor of 4 and 12 is 4 itself. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So likewise, you can see all of them. Now again, practice time. You are going to label all these alphabets on this number line, and you are going to pause this video, find out your answer, write your answer. Once you have your answer ready, you can resume this video. Well, let's check out your answers with mine. So A should go to that point, B will go there, C will go there. I hope this question is right. Okay, let's check question number 2. So D has position over here, E's position is there, and F will go there. Again, I'm sure that you have done this question right. The last question, you can check position of G, H, and I. So I am sure that you have done all these questions right. I hope you have fully understood this topic. Keep watching this channel for more concepts and knowledge. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.